Though to some there is no nothing of worth or importance there, some exist who, because of their weak and deep dragon hearts, make their minds follow another way of competing their fellows superior to them, the path of jealousy. To them, this trait is unavoidable, and there's no way to uninstall this. Their watery mouths, distressed hearts, confused minds, and uneased soul can neither make any progress and nor step upwards. The only picture that circles around their mind is the unresistible thought of success of their fellows. This is due to conservative nature of a person, their low IQ, lack of hard work through previous decades, lack of brain activities, lack making oneself grow in the healing nature of environment, lack of this concept that I just got to cross my limits without considering anyone or trait, property, and progress. My only life is me, the barriers of my way, the place beyond my limits, my heart's furnace, the perfection of deeds and thoughts, my mind's gym, and the motivation for my success. To cure this, one got to do a great deal of work. Start with a good friendship with your heart. Speak gently to it. Make it realize that no one can decide the limit of your success. The only thing worth of consideration is how much you strive, the zest for your targets, your SOPs, and how you deal with surprises. To break this imprisonment, one got to make his heart roar at this conservative parasite's existence. One got to make a U-turn from the descending slope toward extinction. This devil, which is engulfing heart's liveliness, should be buried deep. In the end, I will say that not only himself, but one should also prevent others from falling in this pit. Work on your heart. The destination is waiting for you. Thank you for watching this video. You can appreciate me by subscribing my channel.